So we're here in the kitchen right now.
I can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind.
Hi guys, we're here in the kitchen right now. So it's already dinner time. So for today's dinner, guys, we're gonna make a burger. It's a Akis inspired burger, guys. So it's very easy, guys. So I have prepared my tomato and some of an onion here, and I only need to prepare lettuce, guys. And actually, I have cooked my burger ready with cheese. This one, guys, here. So it has cheddar cheese on top, and then now I'm going to caramelize my onion. Okay. So I think on my next video, I'm gonna upload how to make this simple burger, guys. You can do it at home as well. It's really very simple and it's easy to make. Okay, samahan niyo ako, guys, magluto. So here's my burger, guys. So it's already cooked. Now I'm going to caramelize the onion. So I have my skillet here, guys. It's an olive oil, and I'm gonna put my onion. Okay, so all I need to do here, guys, is to caramelize. You need balsamic vinegar, guys. So about 3 tablespoons of this. Okay, and we need sugar. We need sugar, guys. So it's just about. This will give sweet and sour taste. This will give a sweet and sour taste on your burger, guys. So now, guys, we're gonna make the sauce. So it's just a mix of ketchup and mayonnaise.
It's regular.
So which one is better?
Elastic. Because when you are eating, it's not open.
Okay. So I'll put there. Yes. So I'm doing the okay, so this is the sauce or the cream for our burger, guys. Okay, so I cut my lettuce here, guys. I already washed.
You want to put the bread?
So now we just slice the bread, guys. We're gonna reheat it. Now we're we're done with our lettuce, tomato, and then cucumber. And here's our onion, guys. And okay, guys, so let's put first this one. Did we forget something? Yeah, so this is mine. I'm doing mine. And I'll put here also. Is that enough for you? And then where's the burger? So this is the burger, guys. Oh my god.
You're very good.
I'm so excited.
You can cut
Okay?
in the montage.
Huh?
You can cut in the montage.
Cut in the?
Montage.
What's that?
Edit.
Edit. Then next I'm gonna put is what? This one? Oh, I don't have. Can I have one more? So we're gonna put this onion. It's not so caramelized, guys. Ooh, and then we can put our tomato, guys. This our tomato, just one. Oh, one will do. And then we have 2 of this. I'm gonna put my lettuce. Yeah. Okay, that's all. And we're gonna cover it. And then oh, knife with knife. And get ready for this. Yes, we're done. This one is for my husband, guys. Okay. Oh, 2. Oh, not so hot, baby. It's not so, you see? It's not so hot.
Take video.
It's okay?
Maybe I don't want very much onion. Okay. Yeah. Baby, only yours is good.
Because you don't have knife. Put knife. Put the knife here.
No need knife.
Huh? It's very big.
Why? Don't put lettuce. The lettuce is the problem.
Nice.
Tomato, full of tomato. Why?
Tomato is only one, baby. Hey, why is like that?
Ay, baby. Ay.
The other one. The other. Both.
The video. The video is good.
Alright, we're done. And I got Coke there. For my husband, he's having 2. Oh, it's so nice with Coke. So, kain muna ako, guys. Let's eat, guys. So yummy. So let's eat, guys.